Welcome back to the IML Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss what exactly is traded in the Forex market. It's important to understand the Forex market is an online exchange for all currency pairs around the world. As the currency exchange rates fluctuate, you can choose to buy or sell currencies. And if you forecast the move correctly, you stand to make a profit. When trading, you're always buying one currency and selling the other, which is why all currencies are quoted in pairs. Let's take a look at all the currencies, among other things, you can trade in the Forex market, beginning with the majors and minors. Majors are any currencies that are paired with the US dollar, such as the EUR USD, known as the Euro dollar, the USD JPY, known as the dollar yen, the GBP USD, known as the pound dollar, the USD Chef, which is known as the dollar Swiss, the USD CAD, which is known as the dollar loonie, the AUD USD, which is known as the Aussie dollar, and the NZD USD, which is known as the Kiwi dollar. Minors, also known as cross pairs, are any currencies traded against one another that doesn't involve the US dollar, such as the yen crosses, the euro crosses, the pound crosses, and even the Aussie crosses. Next are the exotics, such as the Hong Kong dollar, the South African rand, and the Mexican peso, which are some of the most popular traded exotics in the Forex market. You can also trade commodities such as oil and gas, metals such as gold and silver, stocks such as Apple and US 30, and even cryptos such as Bitcoin and Ripple. As you can tell, the Forex market is very large and diverse and is a wonderland for any trader. Pick a few pairs to master, and the better you get, the more money you can make. This concludes our training on what is traded in the Forex market. We'll see you in the next video.